Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick tutorial on adding the iconic LCARS sounds to your LCARS Display Live application. Here we'll take a look at my home screen and see what it looks like in practice, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this to your own.
It begins again.
First we'll need to choose one or more of the LCARS Display Live themes, and you can tap on the left hand side of your screen here to open a new window and select yours. We're also going to need Automated. It's a free application in the Play Store. Now the developer does have a paid version of this which offers additional features, and I do recommend supporting the developer on this. It's a great application. So let's get started. First we're going to go to our home screen. This is my home screen. I selected the LCARS Display Live 2 application. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and open Automated. If it's not on your home screen, just go to your app drawer and tap this icon here. This will open the My Rules page of Automated, and you'll select Add Rule. That's this button here. Now select Application Status Trigger. That's this here. And then select Application. That's this here. Now choose an application. I'm going to choose Dropbox. You can choose whatever you want. Now here we have the application activated slider. Now on is for the open sounds and off is for the closed sounds. I'm going to go ahead and add an opening sound for Dropbox now. I'll come back later and add the closing sound. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap Next, and I'm going to go to scroll down to Play Sound Action. Now I'm going to select Play Sound Action. That's this here. I'm going to select the sound type, which here is going to be notifications for me. And then I'm going to tap the file search icon, and I'll go ahead and select a sound file. I'm going to go ahead and select media storage, and I'm going to select my desired sound file, which in this case is this file here. I'll tap OK, and then I'm going to tap Next. Now I'm going to name this. I'm going to go ahead and just name this Open Sound Dropbox. Now I'm going to select No. I don't want this to display the rule on screen when I do this. I'm going to tap Save, and that'll bring me back to this page here. And what I'll do is I will go back in, and then I will turn the slider off, and then I'm going to go ahead and follow those same procedures to make a closing sound for the Dropbox application. So now you can make all the rules that you want for the various apps that you want to open and close, and then when you have completed that, then you can just return to your home screen here. And when you open and close your apps, now you're going to hear those sounds like you heard in the demonstration at the beginning of this video. Now I do want to mention that there are 10 applications in the LCARS Display Live series, and I do really appreciate your support. It's very important to remember to rate and review. Also, the G+ button is very helpful as well, and I do appreciate all those G+ from everyone out there. If you liked this video, please go ahead and click like, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. I want to thank you for watching this video. I enjoyed making it. I hope you have a great night.